Hi guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of glitch on the application of Pinterest. We go to settings. In this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this page, you will search about the application of Pinterest in this list and you will click. Here in this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will click on storage, then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn on your airplane mode and you can turn off your airplane mode again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.